In the very beginning, she was definitely terrified. She was malnourished and starving. So the first couple of days I had her was really just trying to push fluids and nutrition into her. I honestly thought that she was so malnourished that she had an issue with being able to form full feathers.
Good job. It's okay.
The next step was teaching her how to be a bird, getting perches for her.
You're not even an inch from the ground. Yes, hi, baby. Oh, hello.
She became quite spunky.
Hello. Oh, sweetie. You're so cute.
Within the first week of me having her, she started to really get curious of her surroundings. She definitely imprinted on me pretty quickly, and now she's absolutely obsessed with me.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
She loves to cuddle. So she's had a little teddy bear in her cage with her since the first week I had her, and she's obsessed with it.
Hi, baby. Hi. Yes. Here's your baby.
It was like within the first 10 days, you could really start seeing feathers growth coming in. When they started forming on her wings, that's when I kind of knew, okay, we've got her health under control. We're going to turn this around. Then the day she took flight was the day that I knew, like, okay, we did it. I'm like also really proud because I never thought she'd be able to fly, but she just started flying. So now she's also escaping from her cage and flying all over my house.
Hi.
She's my buddy. We do everything together. She's quite naughty, but she's my buddy. For me to go through this much work and like this much potential heartbreak and watching her progress over the weeks to come and just seeing, you know, that I essentially helped save her life, I was like, I have to keep her. I'm obsessed with her. I'm attached to her.
What are you doing?